Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to calculate the warranty expiry date. We have the serial number and manufacturer. There are multiple manufacturers. Also, we have appliance, type, inch and dimension of the appliance. And also we have unit price and warranty. So we need to find out the warranty date expiry of these appliances from the date of sale. So I will enter date of sale. So date of sale and warranty expiry date. Now, if I sold this product, which is the first item, if I have sold on Jan 1, 2024. Since LG is providing 7 years of warranty, I wanted to calculate what is the expiry date for this appliance which has been sold. To calculate the expiry date, what I will do is I will use the function which is called as EDATE. Open the bracket. Select the cell reference, which is date of sale, comma. Now I need to enter in months. Since we know that LG is providing 7 years of warranty, what I will do is I will use 12, which is month per year, into 7. So total 7 years I am calculating in months. Close the bracket. I get the warranty expiry date. Since this is in numbers, I need to convert to correct format, which is date format. I will select the format cell, choose the date format, and I get the result. So when the product is sold on this date, the warranty is going to expire on Jan 1, 2031. I have copied the random dates here. You will be able to see. What I will do is I can simply drag the formula for all those appliances which are 7 years of warranty. Since these are all 7 years of warranty, I can simply drag the formula. Right? I will simply drag the formula. And for these appliances, I need to calculate the formula again. So I'll update the formula. Instead of 7, what I will do is I'll put 5. So I'll get the result as 6/8/2028, which is June 8, 2028. The warranty is going to expire. For all the appliances which has 5 years of warranty, I can drag the formula like this. And for the appliances which has 10 years of warranty, I need to update the formula again. Copy and paste the formula. Then instead of 5, I need to update it as 10. So from the date of sale, this is the warranty expiry date for each of the appliances which has been sold, which has 10 years of warranty. So this has 10 years of warranty. I will color code. It is going to expire on these dates from the sale date. And for all the appliances which has 5 years of warranty, it is going to expire on these dates. And for all the appliances which are 7 years warranty, from the sale date, it is going to expire on these dates. If you have a big inventory list with lot of appliances, you can use this method to find out the expiry date of the warranty from the sale date. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.